Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very nice bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there. But by the closing bell, the price was able to work its way all the way back up to where it did. Now, yes, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But the point here being, relatively speaking, from where it was at its low to where it ultimately closed, nice solid move. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at that point of $13.15. Now, why is that level important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to that level, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way to the downside. What would you have at that point in time? Well, from a very literal angle, you would have the price, well, right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything of that nature. Now, to be fair, though, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price needs to come down here, behave in this manner, but the difference being it starts to work its way up higher. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 13.15. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, initial area of resistance on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, going to be right here at the $14 mark. And then after 14, next key level right up there at 14. Oh, that makes it easy. $14.50. So keep your eye on those levels going forward. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.